When we started on this low sodium journey, it was a little bit tricky. Trying to get something that we could just pour in a bowl and eat. Went to my grocery store and looked and looked and looked at the cereals that we normally would have in our cabinet. There wasn't anything in there that we could use, but I found, after a while, I found some good ones. I'm going to show you these guys. This is the Big Biscuits of shredded wheat. Here, two of these Big Biscuits has 2 milligrams of sodium. There's a whole bunch of them. The mini wheats, these are all, yep, they're all Kellogg's. The shredded wheat, big ones are Post, but these are all Kellogg's. Frosted mini wheats, these are brown sugar, maple brown sugar, 25 biscuits. 0 blueberry, 25 biscuits, 0. These are smaller. Touch of fruit, 24 is 10. Strawberry, 25, 0. Original, 21 is 0. Wonder how many's in 22? Lots of stuff in the grocery store. Bars for breakfast or for snacking, either one. We like these. We took them on a road trip. These are Costco. Soft and chewy granola bar. Got a little bit of chocolate in there. Now there's 40 in one of these. There are other bars out there that are bigger, and they have 40. But you just got to see what you like. Have some of these handy for that occasion when you're headed out to get some work done on the car. You're going to be sitting there for a couple of hours, and you know they're going to have donuts and coffee for you. Got to have something before you get there. All these are good. They're really tasty. And we like hot cereal. Live in Phoenix. We're not going to have them in the summertime, but winter's coming. Oat bran, a quarter cup of dry is 0. Oatmeal has 0. Malt-o-meal, 3 tablespoons of dry makes a good sized bowl. Doesn't have any. They also have a chocolate flavored malt-o-meal that I don't like. And there's some others out there. Look in the hot cereals. Turn them over and check that label. See how much is in there. We get stuck. All of a sudden we're hungry. And we just start looking. If we don't have something, just a little bit, even if it's in the afternoon, maybe sometimes Johnny will have a bowl of cereal in the afternoon because he knows they don't have much on them. I mark all over everything. So when he decides he wants blueberry, flip it over and he can see I've got 25 biscuits, is no sodium in there. That way he can keep a little bit better track. Get you some granola bars, stick them in there. Take a couple with you when you go get that car work done.